In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to resolve transaction inquiries quickly within Salesforce. Let's dive into the process, which is simpler than you might think once you break it down into manageable steps. First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Having access to your dashboard is crucial, as you'll need to make several adjustments throughout this process. Once logged in, navigate to the Setup menu. You can find this by clicking the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. From there, select Advanced Setup. This will open up a host of settings and configurations, which is where the magic begins. Now that we're within the Setup area, use the Quick Find search bar. Type in Einstein bots to zero in on the specific section we're interested in. Einstein bots are essential for our objective as they'll handle the transaction inquiries swiftly and effectively. Once you're in the Einstein bots section, go ahead and click on Create New Bot. You'll have the option to select from either a standard or enhanced bot, depending on your needs. Choose the one that best fits your requirements and give your bot a meaningful name. Naming it appropriately will help you manage and identify it more easily in the future. Next, let's add some dialogue to your bot. This involves setting up what are known as intents. Intents are essentially the different requests or commands the bot will recognize and respond to. For instance, you might create intents such as check balance or payment status. Be sure to tailor these intents to the typical inquiries you expect. After your intents are set, you'll need to connect your bot to your existing knowledge and case data. This connection allows your bot to pull relevant information and provide accurate responses to customer inquiries automatically. It's a crucial step that ensures your bot is not just reactive but informed. The journey doesn't end there. Head back to the Quick Find search bar and type in Omnichannel. This will lead you to the routing configuration page where we can fine-tune how inquiries are managed. Here, you should assign your agents to specific queues, particularly for complex cases that the bot cannot resolve on its own. This step ensures that human agents are promptly and efficiently handling the more intricate problems. Finally, it's time to test your bot in a live chat environment. The goal here is to verify that simple transaction inquiries are automatically resolved by your bot, while more complex issues are seamlessly routed to your designated agents. During testing, pay attention to any adjustments that may be needed to optimize the bot's performance and improve customer satisfaction. By following these steps, you'll have a robust AI-driven system in place that adeptly handles transaction inquiries, saving time and resources for both your team and customers. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!